Alright, welcome back to the Dark Reflections channel, part 3 of the video on how to restore your headlights correctly. What I have here on the right is the restored headlight with the 3 coats of clear coat. On the left is the original condition of the headlight, which is very yellow, faded, and probably can't see anything in the dark. Now with this one here, as I showed you in the previous video, was all sanded, all the numbers removed, and then 3 coats of automotive clear were installed. And as you can see, pretty impressive results, that the headlight looks almost as good as new, and our investment is probably $15 in sandpaper, and probably total cost of materials probably about $25-$35 in clear coat. Now basically once you get them to this point, you install them in your vehicle, you can see nice and bright again. Most important thing to remember is you now have automotive paint on your headlight. So what you want to do is just occasionally, probably even more often than you actually wax your car, is to apply a good coat of carnauba wax to the headlights at least every 2 or 3 months, and that'll make sure that this clear coat will last a long time. Now I really don't need to go through the how to wax, but I'm going to basically take an applicator and add, after shaking really well, a few drops or more of wax. I like to just rub it into the surface with a circular motion, making sure everything's covered, and then basically let it sit for at least 30 seconds or so. Let it dry up a little bit. Take a nice soft towel once it's hazed up, and usually you can see when your wax is drying, and just basically wipe it all off. And that right there is ensuring that all your hard work is going to last even longer. There you have it, before and after. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos coming up from our series. Thank you.
Okay.
How's that?
Good.
I'm gonna watch it, make sure we don't have to fix anything.